Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ACE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. Now I am going to discuss about the topic on pH measurement. So on completion, the students will be able to define pH, define PO2, then what is vitro measurement. So first, what is meant by pH measurement? So the chemical balance in the body, so this will be determined by the pH value of the blood and other body fluids. So the pH is defined as the hydrogen ion concentration of the fluid. So it is the logarithm of the reciprocal value of H plus concentration. So the pH equation is given as pH will be equal to minus log 10 H plus will be equal to log 10 of 1 divided by H plus. The pH is the measure of acid-base balance in a fluid. A neutral solution has the pH value as 7. So the solution with pH value less than 7 are acidic and above 7 are called basic solutions. Most of the body fluids are silently basic in nature. Next, we are going to see the construction and working of the pH measurement. So the pH meter is made up of a thin glass membrane. So it allows only the hydrogen ions to pass through it. So the glass electrode provides a membrane interface for H plus ions. The glass bulb at the lower end of the pH meter contains a highly acidic buffer solution. So based on the highly buffer solution, the glass tube will be consist of silver chloride electrode and the reference electrode. This will be made up of chlomel silver chloride. So this will be placed in the solution. So in this way we have to measure our pH value. So this is the diagram for the pH electrode. So the thin glass membranes will be having, so in this membranes we are having the chlomel reference electrode one side and other side we are having the pH responsive glass electrode. So now this will be having the potassium chloride and other one will be having the hydrogen chloride ion. So in this way we have to measure our pH value. So center we are having the voltmeter. So in this voltmeter we have to calculate our voltage. So next we are going to see the PO2 measurement. The term PO2 is defined as the partial pressure of oxygen. So the determination of PO2 is one of the most important physiological chemical measurement. The effective function of both respiratory and cardiovascular system, this will be done by PO2 measurement. So here we are having the partial pressure of a gas. So this will be proportional to the quantity of that gas. This will be present in a blood. So how many amount of blood will be present in a particular gas? So in this way we have to measure our PO2 value. So the platinum wire, this will be act as an active electrode. This will be embedded in glass for insulation and we have to tip into the particular solution. So then this will be exposed. So this will be kept in a electrolyte solution. So in that way the oxygen will be allowed to diffuse. The reference electrode is made up of silver chloride. A voltage of 0.7 is applied between the platinum wire and the reference electrode. So while we are applying the platinum wire and reference electrode, so the particular voltage level will be maintained. So the negative terminal will be connected to the active electrode through a microammeter, and the positive terminal will be given to the reference electrode. So this will be shown in your PO2 electrode measurement. So this is the PO2 electrode measurement. So here we are having the thin glass membranes. So this will be tipped in your water. So the insulating glass will be placed in the water level. Then we are having the platinum wire. Then the electrode solution will be taken. Then the measurement solution will be taken in the out of the glass. So we are having the silver chloride reference electrode will be placed. Then the ammeter and the voltmeter will be placed to measure the current and the voltage level. Due to the negative terminal, the oxygen reduction takes place at the platinum cathode. So finally the oxidation of the reduction current will be proportional to the partial pressure of the oxygen. This will be diffused into the electrolyte. So we have to measure our microammeter. This will be measured in your microammeter. The electrolyte is generally scaled in the electrode chamber by means of a membranes through which the oxygen can diffuse from the blood or sample solution. So there are two types of PO2 measurement. So what are the two types we are having? One is a vitro measurement, another one is a VO measurement. First we are going to see the vitro measurement. So in this method the blood sample is taken and the measurement for oxygen saturation is made in a laboratory. The electrode is placed in the sample blood solution. This way we have to determine our PO2 value. Then in VO measurement we have to do that method, that is the oxygen saturation is determined while the blood is flowing in a circularly system. A micro version of the PO2 electrode is placed. So we have to tip the catheter. So this will be inserted into the various spots of the heart. So in this way we have to measure our PO2 value. So otherwise we have to use the circulatory system for the measurement of PO2. So based on this pH and the PO2 measurement, the question will be based on the normal value of the pH is dash. Thank you.